Hello guys, it's me, Train Tracks Official, and there is a Bnsf train coming. You saw the engine from over here. But yep, the train's coming, a freight train, not Amtrak, of course, we already saw it. Freight train's coming, Bnsf. Let's see what it is. Good hornshow. Number 6093 and 5348. 6093 and 5348. Yeah. Great mixed freight. Oh, a lot of small box cars. What was I saying? I didn't mean box cars. I meant a lot of small hoppers. Yep. I couldn't put my tripod up because you had to come quick just in time. Box cars and some normal box cars, a lot of them. A lot of box cars. Yep, that's the end. Well, yeah, guys, that's it. I'll see you tomorrow, today, if we see a freight train, another freight train, or a plane. Yeah.